No! Hi. I'm about to deliver my pizza. Totally nothing about the end of the world. Yeah, nothing about the end of the world. So make sure to subscribe even though it's the end of the world. It's happening again. Ever. Like, the end of the world. Shut the hell up. Like, oh no, it's gonna be the end of the world on May 5th. Nope. You guys changed it to May 27th. And then now NASA's like, oh my god, it's gonna be the end of the world on June. No, it's not. And that was a fake NASA. Subscribe. Chims, get over here. Come on. Get. Come on. Prove to the world when it's not gonna be the end of the world. Yeah. World so stupid. I'm about to break my sister. Oh no, my sister's gone. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to make this a video about the end of the world. Yep, it's totally gonna be the end of the world. Shut the hell up if you're saying, oh my god, it's the end of the world in June. Oh my god, it's the end of the world on May 27th. It's May 25th. So, if it was actually, we'd have 2 days to live. 7 days. But no. Capella. End of the world. Okay. I'll be right back. My dad doesn't like it. I went to go tell him. What else? I can break plates. Do I have a clip? I'm gonna look. Oh yeah, here it is. There's a clip of me breaking a plate because it's gonna be the end of the world. No, it actually isn't. It's stupid. It's like September 23rd. You guys lied about that. October. You guys lied about that. Now June and then May 27th. When is it? Is it like on the internet? It says there's a black hole. The only black hole that's gonna suck us is me. Yep. I'm glad to be American. Because the world is so crazy and stupid. Except for me, I'm gonna suck you guys. Because apparently I am a black hole. And I like to watch Logan Paul. Just to make sure. It was July when I watched Jake Paul release the second verse on himself. Like the first verse when he was getting all emotional. What happened, Jake, man? We used to love each other. After all, we can been the same motto. No. Well, yeah. You guys are about to see the vlog. Yeah.